Fanno Mohammed is worried about her son. 7-month-old Umara is thin and listless. The family fled their village in Borno state earlier this year due to the ongoing Boko Haram-related crisis. Now they live in an IDP camp with thousands of others in the state capital. Fanno's brought Umara to the camp's medical clinic. UNICEF nutrition officer Mohammed Abdullahi measures the baby's arm. It's 9 centimetres, well under the healthy 12.5 centimetres. He weighs just 4.2 kilograms.
The child was severely malnourished and dehydrated. When Umara was brought in here, Umara looks very dumb. He doesn't laugh, he doesn't play. He doesn't look okay at all.
Umara is immediately given life-saving treatment. Ready-to-use therapeutic food is high in calories and full of vitamins and minerals. 3 packets a day for 8 weeks can save the life of a child with severe acute malnutrition. Umara is one of more than 100,000 children across northeast Nigeria that UNICEF's provided with treatment. But there are still hundreds of thousands more that need help. A week later, it's time for another screening. And the news is good. Umara's arm is plumper and he's put on a little weight. And after just 20 days, the improvement is clear.
When Umara came for the 3rd visit, Umara was looking okay because he was playing, laughing. He doesn't have any problem. When we measured his weight has also increased.
Aishat follows up with the family in their tent. They are doing well. And it's the first time we've seen Mother Fanno smile.